Okay. Um, so my group couldn't meet this week, or at least me and Justin. There's only two of us. So, since he made his own last night. Anyway, so I'll just go through the quiz myself. All right. Um, so question number 3: when you're making a sample size of 5, the shape of the distribution of the means histogram with the parent population is right skewed. It will end up being right skewed with a small sample size. Number 4, when you're taking a sample size of 100, when the shape of the distribution means histogram when the parent population is right skewed, it will end up being normal because of the large sample size. Number 5, when you're taking a sample size of 5, what is the shape of the distribution means with histogram? The parent population is normally distributed. When if you do a small sample size and continue to go with a small sample size, it'll end up being normal. You're taking a sample size of 100, and the shape of the distribution means when the parent population is normally distributed. It's a large sample, so it'll end up being normal anyway. So this one is choose all the correct responses when would the distribution of means be normally distributed? So it's when data drawn from a population is normally distributed and the sample size is small. Then it's also data from a population that is right skewed and the sample size is large, and then data from a population that is right skewed and the sample size is small. Sorry, that's wrong. It's data from a population that is normally distributed and the sample size is large. All right, then the next one is which of the following gives best explanation of the central limit theorem? The central limit theorem is so if the sample size is large, the sample size mean will be close to the population mean. Wait, no, sorry, that's wrong. So if the sample size is large, the shape of the distribution of the sample means will be approximately normal. Sorry. So we use the following information to answer the questions. So let x be a random variable with a population mean of 10 and a population standard deviation of 6. Suppose the sample size of 36 is drawn from this population. The mean of the distribution of the sample means is 10. The standard deviation of the distribution of the sample means, that would mean you would take 6 divided by the square root of 36. So that's pretty much 6 divided by 6 once you get which equals 1. And then, so regardless of the distribution of the population, if the sample size is large, which is 30, what would be the shape of the distribution? So if it's according to the theorem, it's going to be normal. And so then it says, what theorem would you justify your response to the last question? And it's the central limit theorem. So I submit my quiz, and that should have everything right. And I do. So that's 100%. And that's my group video by myself. All right. Have a good night.